We are all going through a very strange situation today. We are all reeling under the pressures of the pandemic. Every aspect of human living has been questioned. During these times, a lot of discussion has been happening everywhere from the government's point of view, businesses' point of view, and that is industry's point of view. But what about the youth? What about the millennials? In fact, they are the ones who are going to be living life as we move forward. So, millennials and youth are the key to any discussions we are going to be having today. Because whatever we discuss, without them, there is no future. That being said, we as Skillablers decided that we need to cover end to end of how industries, institutions, and the millennials are going to be coexisting as we move forward. This is the new normal. So how do we go about this new normal when we are going to have a blend of online, real-time, and physical interactions? With this in context, we have created a new platform for youth to be bringing their points to the fore. For this, we have conceptualized a mega online event called Youth Career Connect 2020. Now, the objective of Youth Career Connect 2020 is to have a series of workshops which is going to be addressing multiple industries. This can't happen in just one session with the corporates and the institutions and governments coming together. We have designed this event to be spread across 2 weeks so that we can give ample focus to as many industries as possible. Now, this is something which can't be achieved by just one session addressing overall industry, government, institutions, and therefore the millennials and youth involved. So the idea is for everybody to register into this event, kept completely free considering the scenario and situation we are going through today, and choose the streams or the tracks which anybody would like to attend. That's it. And this is a global event. People from across the world have been discussing to take part in this. Even from associations, they are sending their delegates. They are wanting their members to take part in it. The idea is to get youth's perspective, which matters the most today. The whole event is structured in a way where all the panel discussions are going to be having panelists from industry, institutions, and the majority from youth. That's how we are wanting the youth and the millennials' voice heard. End of the session, what we intend is that we are giving a clear direction, or at least debating clear direction towards how we need to take things forward. And what would happen beyond this is mapping careers along with the individual's aspirations and their qualifications. Now, this is an event which we believe is going to be transforming the way the new normal is going to be. So, inviting all of you to participate, get involved, associate in any form possible, and also start spreading the word around to get as many participants to get involved so that the debate becomes more and more useful and meaningful to get measurable social outcomes end of it all. Once again, welcome you all, get to register, and look forward to all of your participation. Let's make this a new way to discover ourselves and to decide a way forward.